Hello, welcome to my channel once again, and the name still remains Data Analyst. So there is this buzz about AI tools taking over jobs, but I say AI tools are only helping us to work smarter or enhance how we work or increases our productivity. So AI tools can never take, tech jobs from us. Okay, so in today's tutorial, as a data analyst, I want to look at how I can leverage on AI tools to, enhance my work or help me to even, learn. So basically, there are two common AI tools in the market now, which is the Google Gemini and also ChatGPT. So today we're going to look at how we can use them to generate sample data for analysis and even extend it further to help us to analyze our data. So assuming you have a data set that you want to analyze, how can you give it to Gemini or ChatGPT to at least help you analyze it? ChatGPT and Gemini are AI tools developed by Gemini is developed by Google, and also ChatGPT is an open lab project, and they all take prompts from users and kind of give an output response for that. And with Gemini, or depending on the version, you can give them voice prompts for them to give you a response. With Gemini, you can give it an image, video, or text-based prompts to give you a response. The same thing applies to ChatGPT. So without talking much, let's see what we can get from them. Right, so I have a prompt which I've already typed. So this is what I'm telling Gemini to act as a data analyst and generate sample data for analysis. This is what I want: a sales data set for sample analysis. I want the following columns. So I've provided the specific columns that I want, and I want it to be converted in a table form of 20 rows. So let's see what Gemini will give to us. Okay. Right, so you see Gemini has generated, this 20 row kind of table for us. Okay, right, so I'll go to ChatGPT and also do what? Try to, okay, so there is this new ChatGPT 4.0. You have limited access to our latest model. It's smarter. Okay, maybe I'll try it later. So I want to use the current ChatGPT. Okay, so with ChatGPT 2, I'll provide it with the same prompt and ask it to generate a sample data for us. So let's see what ChatGPT also gives to us. Okay, so ChatGPT is also doing its own thing. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT also gave us. So ChatGPT arranged the order ID and the customer ID in a consistent form. So we have 1001, 1002 up to 1020 or 1020. Then with the customer ID 2 is C001 up to C20. Let's look at what Gemini gave us. Gemini rather gave us a random customer ID and also order ID. But at the end of the day, both of them were able to generate sample data for us. So you see how we can leverage on AI tools to enhance or even to help us to learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.